Welcome to Business Central Tips and Tricks video series. This is Czar Gabriel de la Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Vendor posting group will decide which accounts on the chart of accounts to post to, including the payables account from the balance, as well as the discount and service fee accounts on the income statement. To create vendor posting groups, in the Tell Me search bar, search for Vendor Posting Group. In the Vendor Posting Group page, create a line with a new code. Fill the description. Then, add chart of account number in the necessary column.